like, stop, baby. Right here's good enough. It's backing in on us.
Don't get too far, Paul.
Antelope Road him to come in for about a quarter mile or so.
Tell him to hold back right there.
Copy that.
What? Tell him to hold at Antelope Road. We'll be one
Hold
mile.
it, Antelope Road. It's kind of backing it back this way just a bit.
Actually, it's stationary.
Yeah. But I just worried it might rip back around this direction.
I hate to say this, but the iPhone fucking did it.
Spread out, M2, you want to stop? M2, once you stop there, we're going to hopscotch you just a little bit. Actually, the thing doesn't really look like it's moving north at all. Looks like, if anything, it may be blowing out this way. We're going to stay here.
I think it's stationary, Bruce.
Too.
Yeah, this is churning in the field less than a quarter mile from us. We did it again, my friend!
Tony. We turned up.
Is nothing moving any north of east?
Slightly.
It's slightly pushing east now.
Okay.
You say you want to go up to it?
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
I'm locked. All right, let's go.
Tony, any chance you can end up north of this tornado and we can be just south of it?
No, I don't want to take a chance of it crossing the road. We are moving up to the stop sign, and we're going to hold tight right here. This thing's going to cross the road right in front of us. We're going to peek up, Bruce. If you want to move half a mile up Antelope Road.
Yeah, we're doing that. How far up Antelope Road are you?
We're 1 mile north, and we're pushing north.
M2, stay where you're at.
It's roped out.
We're losing it. It's roping out. All right,
It's wrapping in rain. We turn north on Antelope Road.
2 miles.
Approximately 2 miles from the from Highway 10 there.
It's right in front of us.
Okay, copy that, 3.
Oh, that was a pure dumb luck move, wasn't it?
And thank you. It's backing in on us.
I'm calling, 9:30.
Don't get too far, Paul.
Road him to come in about a quarter mile or so.
right there. Tell them to hold that Antelope Road. We'll be 1 mile.
Hold at Antelope Road. It's kind of backing it back this way.
Actually, it's stationary.
Yeah. But I just worried it might rip back around this direction.
I hate to say this, but the iPhone fucking did it.
I'm gonna spread out, M2, you wanna stop? M2, once you stop there, we're gonna hopscotch you just a little bit. Actually, the thing doesn't look like it's moving north at all. Looks like if anything, it may be blowing out this way. We're gonna stay here.
I think it's stationary, Bruce.
I do too.
Yeah, this is churning in the field less than a quarter mile from us.